Hey guys, Jessica here. In today's video, I'm going to show you some common mistakes people make in posing their models, how to fix them, and how to get the best shot possible for your next photo shoot. Before we continue, this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people on topics such as illustration, photography, design, video, and so much more. These classes are for real working creatives from any type of background, whether you're professional or you're just beginning. So the classes are a combination of video lessons and class projects. So after you finish watching them, you can actually do a project based on that class, show the community, and get feedback, which I think is amazing. And most classes are under 60 minutes to fit any type of schedule. There's one class I was recently watching by Finn Batchley. He was talking about the fundamentals of lighting in photography. I thought it was super interesting. He shows how simple it can be working with light, ambient light especially. I like picking up new lighting tips and seeing how other people shoot and different types of scenarios. So this one was definitely interesting to watch. So I would definitely recommend that one. Skillshare is curated specifically for learning. There are no advertisements and they're always launching brand new content. So you can always find something new to learn. And it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. It's almost the holiday season, so it would be great to take a Skillshare class to learn how to make something really cool as a gift. I'm just saying that's a great option right now. It's a good timing. And the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a free trial of premium membership. All the information is going to be in the description down below. And let's get back to the video. The first pose is going to be a full body shot. We have our beautiful model Alexis here. I'm going to be showing you guys what the average pose looks like. If I was going to take a picture of anybody, maybe the way that they would be standing would be something like this, something kind of like this. Maybe they'd have their knee bent a little bit. How can we make this a little bit better of a pose? First things first, I would bring one leg out a little bit more, and I would have the elbows bent. You can even do something where the model is having her arms kind of like out like this. Perfect, and then those shoulders would be in. And it changes up the entire pose. It makes it look a little bit more structured. You get that shape. I'm gonna take the first shot, showing you guys the mistake that people make. Again, we have just the model standing, nothing fancy. Let's take that shot first. So now let's bend the elbows, bring one leg out a little bit more. Yes, perfect. And then the shoulders in a little bit more, right there. That's perfect. And then bring your chin up. Yes, perfect. Relax your arms up. That is beautiful. Great. And then even just small things like the angle, so bringing this shoulder in or bringing that shoulder in, little things like that you can do to kind of switch up the pose as well. I'm gonna show you guys one last full body shot, something like this. Very beautiful shot. I'm gonna take it and then I want you guys to tell me what's missing in the shot, okay? Stay right there. The thing that was missing in the shot is her right arm. So this right arm gets lost when you're taking a shot from this angle. So just have her bring it out. Just have it show a little bit. And you can even have it up midway. Yeah, you could be moving it, like have it up midway. Just kind of like your, yeah, beautiful. And like looking straight ahead. So much more interesting than just having her arms lay flat like that. You're missing the other arm and you're just not creating a lot of shapes. So little things like that can really improve your photos. The second most common thing I see people doing is having the model place her hand covering her neck and then her elbows kind of like this. So let's see that shot right there. I'm gonna take it and then I'm gonna tell you guys how you can improve this and why this may not be the best pose. So let's do that first.
Should I have the earring like?
Yeah, sure, yeah. Okay, so a shot like this, first of all, it's creating a bulkiness here. You're not creating any shapes really. So let's work on how to improve this, okay? So let's say you did want something kind of close. I would say even something where you're bending the elbow out, something like that. And you can even bring this arm up as well. You can bring this arm up. Where you're doing something to involve maybe both hands, something even like right there. Again, it's still close to the neck. It's not covering the neck because what that first pose does is it covers your most of your neck, and so you're covering that shape that's there. So again, you can still have the arms involved near her neck, but don't have them covering it too much. Or something, yeah, something like this, where the elbows are pointed straight at the camera. Even if you want to do something like that, all you gotta do is bring the elbows out. So bring them back in, Alexis, let's show them. So elbows in, pointed towards the cameras. You don't want that. What I would recommend is bring them out. Just have them do a variety of poses. But if the elbow is pointed towards the camera, it's gonna look really blocky, and it's gonna look like her arms kind of blending into the rest of her body, and you don't necessarily want that. You know, you wanna show the shapes, you wanna show the outfit, and these kind of poses where the elbows are out are gonna do just that. So let's take some photos, still having the arms kind of in this shape, but in a different way. So let's do that. Yeah, I love that. Great. So extending this arm out as well, creating even more shape, and then have it out this way. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, awesome. Let's do a couple more. Yeah. A photo like this I see very often where the hand is kind of covering the neck. So first thing, you're getting rid of that shape from the neck, so you don't want to do that. One way I would suggest to improve this pose is to maybe have the model have her hands kind of out, so something even like this. Even just bringing her arm out very slightly. I mean, go back to your neck, like go from this and then bring your hand out. Something very small. This pose is actually creating shape, whereas the one on the neck, the hand is almost blending into the rest of her body. You know, you kind of lose that. So let's bring your arm out again, and then let's take the photo and I'll show you guys the differences, okay? This pose right here, another photographer sent me their photo, and this was the pose that he did. So I had a little bit of critiques on it, so I thought I would recreate it and then show you guys how I would have fixed it on set. So here we are, and the pose kind of looks something like this. So we took the picture where her knees kind of covered most of her body. All I'm gonna do is stand up a little bit more, tilt my camera just a little bit, just bring her legs just a little bit more out. You're doing amazing. These are the last shots right here. You can look, you can just stay looking down if that's more comfortable. Yeah, right there. So again, it's covering a lot of her body. So then if Alexis just goes back to that pose, have your arms out, legs out a little bit. There you go. Looks so beautiful. All you have to do is change your perspective, make those small changes, and it makes a world of difference. Okay, let's take the last couple of photos. So I know you guys might be thinking, hey, Alexis is a professional model, but honestly, a lot of
models started out not really knowing any poses at all. And I feel like these are very basic, average poses that anybody can do. You can use these for your clients. I've shot so many weddings, senior pictures, family pictures. I use these little tips and tricks for all of my photo shoots, not just for professional models. You know, yes, Alexis has a lot of experience, but it's just basic refinements that you can do as a photographer to strengthen your overall photo. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys took away something from it. Again, thank you so much, Alexis. You were amazing. Let me know if you guys want to see more posing videos, and I would love to thank you guys so much for watching.